Welcome to your GEMS Locker. We are going to review a few features of your GEMS Locker. On the left-hand side, you will see your menu options. At the top, you can sync your schedule, view a calendar, or view a list of all activities you are signed up for. To sign up for an activity, find the activity you wish to attend and click the Sign Up button. You can also sign up for an activity by clicking the Calendar button, finding the activity you'd like to attend, and clicking the door arrow Sign Up button. You will know you are signed up for an activity when there are no dash marks and you see a solid color. You can then remove your sign up by clicking the same door arrow icon.